want to go now, Bryson?
So we want to go to Imperial Hotel.
Yeah. So we want to check
Check
in.
check in for our video. Stay tuned for our next video. Guys,
So we want to go check
check in.
in. There, our luggage. You bring one luggage enough? One luggage only. There, all our clothes all inside here lah. There. Bryson bring what? There, bag. Go car in the behind. Want to go to check in, guys. At Imperial Hotel. We are going to level 10. There.
Food for the kids.
Tomorrow will be birthday. Want to birthday?
Yes, come mommy birthday.
We see later if daddy on time.
Oh, mommy, you can see everything there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come, we check in first. We see our room.
See
Come.
Imperial Hotel there.
Come, guys. Say.
Come, guys.
Come, okay, come.
We already go to our
Level 10. One 019. Second last, I think. Yes.
Very far, guys.
Towards the end. Towards the middle.
There to the end there.
How the number now?
10. 19.
Second last. Second last row.
Very fun.
Oh, yeah,
Can
can.
open.
Can.
Can.
Nah, here's the cut.
Whoa, what is how? For the door. Whoa, what does this how the look like, guys?
Yes.
You see?
Okay, ready.
Where to put our slipper?
There, so we are at level 10, guys.
Yeah, I mean here.
Can.
Can put here, Daddy, your slipper.
Yes.
Daddy, the one for slipper.
There, our room.
There was the TV.
See how is the one outside there? What you call it? The view there.
There, you see the view there?
Wow, very nice, guys.
See, got a water car there.
See the sound.
Yes.
Where mommy office? There, the mommy office there. It's nice view, mommy.
Very nice view there.
Mommy, the tissue there.
Oh, they have coffee also, guys. Coffee and then tea, Lipton.
Bryson wants to make coffee.
Bryson favorite, the one Lipton. Tea. There, they got bathtub.
Bathtub.
There. How's the
Really
bath?
cool, mommy.
Bathtub, got shower also.
There, very big. Oh.
Room.
There. There, guys.
Then they come, we go outside.
Gala or towel lah.
Come, mommy, we go outside again.
Got toiletries there.
Really
Okay.
cool, mommy, this one.
Very cool.
You see, the really nice view.
Very nice lah. The room also nice. There.
What?
That one.
The slipper, the
Go slipper there.
sewing kit also got.
Going it.
Hey. Below Jessica only that.
Really fast there.
Hello guys.
Hello guys, so we want to take our dinner. Want to go for dinner there.
Go for dinner.
Let us see where to eat. Okay, stay tuned.
Thank you.
Very cold, guys.
Really cold, huh?
Mm.
Where's the swimming pool? I want to see from there, but
Mm.
I want to see the swimming pool there. Hey, we want to go down there.
Tomorrow lah. Tomorrow.
Oh,
There are many people.
oh, but I want to go down there, what?
Tomorrow lah. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning.
Why people not swimming there?
Tomorrow morning we go, okay? Come. Hello guys, so at last we decided to eat at Jessicajvst. We jalan-jalan at Boulevard here lah, very near to our stay. There. So this one memang our favorite lah. We always order this every time we go to Jessicajvst. This one is kano and then spicy sauce. My one is one piece, you know. Daddy Bryson order 2 pieces. And then Bryson one is the chicken broasted on. Okay guys, so we eat first. So we take our dinner. Later we jalan at Boulevard. Okay.
Wait, the water come out.
Too hot now.
It's very hot, nice.
Crispy and spicy. Hot.
Yes. Eat after breakfast.
Okay.
Very juicy the chicken, guys.
I feel like to walk.
Still very hot. This Jessicajvst, they just move.
They move from downstairs.
From downstairs. They move up here.
Level 2.
So normally we eat down there lah, but first time we eat the one after they move.
Makan.
You makan?
Makan. Look. Okay. Good.
Guys, so we want to tapau our supper lah.
Supper.
Scared later the shop close, so we tapau early. We want to try the sushi here at this Empire Sushi.
Empire Sushi. To queue here. Ada deh. One of each ada dia.
Ya lah. Share that.
Daddy, behind they got space to sit down. Mommy,
Ya lah.
Mommy, behind they got space to sit down.
Deh.
A lot of choice, guys.
A lot of choice. A lot of choice. Baby roll, tamago.
We get the
Good.
crispy egg roll there.
Yeah.
There you see what you want to buy there.
S is Empire Sushi. Dia. S.
Hey, there's side also good. Something there. Hey, what are you doing?
You see how many it can go in.
Yeah.
The one that we want to eat only.
Yeah, the one that we want to eat. S crispy egg roll sige.
Sige.
Maki, puto maki.
Spicy kabe.
Spicy.
Spicy puto maki sige.
Oh, memang very spicy.
And then
Mommy,
potato mayo yang sige.
sige aja.
Sige aja. Ini sige. Dulu deh.
Oh, sige aja.
Potato mayo.
Go down, Basan, go down.
Kadang-kadang.
I thought the police.
How many already? 3. Papa get dah. 3.
unagi there.
From here, we the start.
Can
Nanti,
potato mayo
where potato mayo?
number 15.
Inari potato mayo, sige. And then makan lagi je Nabi. Unagi kan? Unagi sige. What can be? Salmon. Aburi.
Idako.
Ya sige. Where idako be? What number?
22.
Inari idako sige. To. Berapa dah?
Shut.
7. Okay. Tempura ebi. Tempura ebi sige 8.
Tempura baby.
Desat.
No.
Cheesy ebi.
Dah lah.
Cheesy ebi sige
XL or bigger.
9. Sikit lagi ya.
Apa yang suka? Takoyaki. Unagi cheese roll.
Unagi cheese roll sige. Okay dah. Ready?
10 pieces. 10 set.
Ready.
The tag.
Hello guys, so after we tapau from the
Bason tag.
Empire je now, so we tapau from potato there. Potato story up there.
Potato story.
Story there.
Turn it, Mommy. Turn it.
No need. Story.
Like that.
Want to tapau cheesy mayo for Bryson. Cheesy mayo fries. Then
I want to play fun first.
this one later got the spicy one lah. Scared Bryson don't like.
Bayar sushi. PS.
PS.
Mainan.
I want to play fun.
Later.
Huh?
Later.
Where?
Later in the car. Hey, in the hotel.
Hotel what?
Okay. Hello guys. So we already buy some of our thing lah. I want to go back to hotel.
Oh, you see what's
Now
there?
almost 9 lah. I want to relax first lah.
There?
Okay.
You see Bason car?
Want to buy car je now there.
See behind, see in front.
Yes. Okay.
The thing, this one, baby. What is one? Don't have this thing. What don't have? This car not using TV. That's using a phone, not using TV.
Not using TV.
That's to control the TV only.
There guys, we want to go back to hotel.
TV6 now they want on it.
Want to tap off at the swimming pool. Let already.
Yeah, because already night already. Was there? Already close the swimming pool.
Yes.
People already on.
Very dark. Okay.
See? Whoa! Really nice. Is that the one?
There. Come.
Guys.
We are at Imperial Hotel.
They outside there.
So we just buy our thing there now. Then we sit down here in the lobby.
Oh? That's a...
Come.
Go. Hey guys, the program. Program. There. And we go. Downstairs. Level 1 can use.
Want to go
Can use the lift straight away.
Want to go downstairs?
Up.
Where up? This one.
Cut.
Number 10.
10. Okay.
I say.
Hey, say.
Hello guys. So we already buy all our things. We pass to it
Now
later lah.
yeah.
Mm.
Supper.
Five.
We want to lepak in the hotel. Tired already. The whole day.
The whole day
Mm.
outside.
Seven.
At that one,
Yeah,
Bolivar.
tomorrow again. Mm.
Okay.
And ten.
Follow me.
We reach our floor.
Yay. Woo.
So we are in the hotel already, guys. So this is the one that we buy just now lah, some lah. They just now Bryson Daddy buy coffee there. We never tried this brand no. Outside cafe latte. And then this one is Bryson one, lychee. And then this one also lychee ah. Mango, mango. And then we buy 3-in-1 you know, 3-in-1 coffee. And then some tidbits lah, tidbits. And then we buy this one also just now, sushi. So this is what we bought just now from Empire Sushi. There, we always pass by this Empire Sushi every time we go to this boulevard, but we never try. So now we want to try lah. There, this one just now for Bryson. His favorite this one from Potato Story. Cheesy mayo there. Okay. Yes. So we are in the hotel already there. Want to relax first lah.